Do you struggle with leg weakness or discomfort as you age? What if I told you there's a simple remedy you can use before bed to restore leg strength and feel like you're 20 again? Stay tuned for a night routine that could change your life. As we age, leg weakness and discomfort become common struggles. Whether it's from arthritis, muscle loss, or just the effects of time, it can make daily life harder. But here's the good news. There's a simple, natural solution to help restore your leg strength, and all it takes is 1 spoonful before bed. This nightly routine has helped many seniors improve their leg strength naturally. It's not about expensive treatments or complex exercises, just a small, consistent habit that can make a big difference. The secret ingredient: turmeric. You've likely heard of turmeric as a spice, but its benefits go far beyond cooking. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that can help reduce joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, all of which are common issues for seniors. Reducing inflammation helps improve blood circulation in the legs, making them feel stronger and less fatigued. Now, how does it work with just 1 spoon before bed? Simple. Turmeric is most effective when combined with a little fat and black pepper. So, before bed, take a spoonful of turmeric mixed with a small amount of coconut or olive oil and add a pinch of black pepper. This combination makes it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients overnight, allowing turmeric to reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery while you sleep. This simple bedtime routine not only helps with muscle recovery but also promotes better sleep. For seniors, getting a good night's rest is essential for overall health, and turmeric can help reduce aches and pains, allowing you to rest peacefully and wake up feeling refreshed. If you've been dealing with leg cramps, soreness, or joint pain, this bedtime routine could be just what you need to start feeling 20 again. Over time, consistent use of turmeric can help improve circulation, boost leg strength, and reduce discomfort. It's a simple, affordable way to take control of your health and enjoy a more active, pain-free life. But remember, consistency is key. Like any natural remedy, it may take a few weeks to see noticeable results. Stick with a routine, and you'll likely start noticing a significant difference in how your legs feel. While turmeric can be incredibly effective, don't forget to pair it with gentle exercises. Walking, stretching, and leg lifts are great ways to complement the benefits of turmeric, keeping your muscles strong and flexible. So, why not try this easy routine? 1 spoon before bed, and you could soon notice stronger, more energized legs ready to take on the day. This small change can make a big difference, helping you feel younger, more active, and pain-free. Don't let leg pain slow you down.